To my kings and queens of my Loc tribe. Oh yeah, we got us one, y'all. On October 19th, come vibe with me at Cranes Roost Park from 2 p.m. to 8 p.m. We got us a Loc Day party as well as a beautiful Loc block party.
Y'all heard what he said, come vibe with your tribe. Y'all do not want to miss the block party. It's going to have games. We're going to have good food, music. It's going to take us all the way back. We will have our workshops, panel discussions, networking, giveaways. There's going to be a fashion show and a hair show showcasing some of the best locticians in the city.
If you want to get your tickets tonight, right now at this very second, come on down to eventbrite.com/the Loc Party in Orlando, and I guarantee it's a vibe you don't want to miss.
On October 19, 2024 at Cranes Roost Park in Altamonte, Florida from 2 to 8 p.m. It's only $25 to experience the Loc Party. Come vibe with your tribe. Come vibe with your tribe.